If you're a pet lover, you have to see this. The Angora rabbit, one of the most ancient groups of domestic rabbit breeds, which is bred for the long fibers of its coat, known as Angora wool. There are at least 11 distinct breeds of Angora rabbit, 4 of which are currently recognized by the American Rabbit Breeders Association: the English Angora, the French, the Giant, and the Satin Angora. Soft, fluffy, and oh so cute. The iconic long coat of the Angora is the result of a rabbit gene referred to as this Angora gene. The giant Angora is up to 4 to 5 kilograms and live as long as 12 years. What a cuddly cloud! Subscribe for more. Woolly!